Background, different whatever, because I'm doing a quick weave today and I need to do it in my bathroom. So curls for me to sit over these bundles. Looky. There are 3 of them, all the same length. I think these are all 24 inches. So yeah, very full bundles. I'm going to be using a couple of things in my hair video today. This right here is basically going to protect my hair from the glue, so I'll be using this, and then of course the hair bond glue as well. So I also have these little baby hair wraps. I was going to use it for this video, but I don't really know if I'm going to do that, to be completely honest with y'all. And then here are my wig caps that I'll be using. I already went ahead and parted my hair. I will be doing a flip over method, so all I had to do was basically part out my hairline. So I'm going to be taking this Moroccan Argan Oil Weave Wonder Wrap to protect my hair from the bonding glue. I did put it on my hair, and then you guys will also see me go in and blow dry it as well, because you're supposed to make sure that it gets hard and before you use the bonding spray. So I'm just blow drying it out really well. A lot of this stuff I did off of camera, and I cut it as well because I didn't want this to be a very long video, but you guys know how to follow. So I'm putting on my wig cap, and as you guys can see my ball, I could have definitely did this flatter, but at the end of the day you're not really gonna see it anyway. So I'm going in with the Wonder Wrap again and some Got2b Blasting Spray, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry and start placing my tracks. So there's different ways that you can do this. You can measure it out first on your head and then cut, glue, and then place it back onto your wig cap. Or you can eyeball the cut like I do. I've done this plenty of times, you guys. I'm not new to this. I just really don't enjoy really doing it because it's very messy process, but it's also easy at the same time. So basically what I do is eyeball it, put the glue on, and then place it on my wig cap. And I am doing this in a U shape until I get closer to the top and the U is closing in. Then I'll show you guys what I'm doing when it comes to, like, I guess getting that flip over look, right? So you are able to blow dry as you go. However, I do feel like that's a lot of work as well. So I did it sometimes and sometimes I didn't. You guys would see the different ways that I place these tracks throughout this hair video. This is pretty self-explanatory, you guys, so I'll come back when I get to the top. The hair in the back. Of course, I did go in and place more tracks, but here I am finally at the top, and I'm basically going to be using shorter pieces going straight across, you guys. So this is the second one, and then I'm going to use the third one, and then I do believe I will go in with a longer strip. So Went in and blow dried my hair just to make sure that all of the glue was like tacky and I didn't have any like lifting tracks and things of that such. But here you guys are going to see me place the longer strip or longer track from ear to ear, and I'm also going to do another one in just a second. However, I just had to like cut out my ear tabs for some reason. I think it was like bothering my ear. It was a lot of pressure on my ear and my earrings, sitting on my earrings. So that's probably why I did that. And then here is the very last track. And that's pretty much me gluing in my hair, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and like blow dry some more. And then you guys are going to see me like flip over my hair and see that I am able to like flip over left and right pretty much, you guys. So that was the whole ordeal or the whole point of this whole video, to make sure that I'm able to flip over my hair. And it looks pretty good now, and it'll all very much come together after I cut my stocking cap and do all of the things. So I'm loving how it's looking, but I'm going to go ahead and get ready to cut the stocking cap, you guys. Now, this is something that I cannot do while looking into my camera. And as I turn around here, it is going to look like I'm cutting off my hair, but that is actually a piece of glue. So I'm going to use my black spray to cover up the stocking cap that I didn't want to cut off because it was like a little too close for me. So I'm just using a black spray, and that is a little trick that you guys could use to cover up your stocking cap if needed. Also, you can use it for your hairline as well. Now let's get into the styling portion of this. I did decide to place 2 more tracks to my wig, or I guess to my, what do you want to call it? Quick weave. I just like a lot of volume at the top of my hair, and wherever it was that I was flipping it over, I needed more hair. I felt like it was too flat for me, you guys. So the hair that I did have, they were literally like pieces. I just placed them where I could in the top area. I'm using my hot comb to basically like straighten out my hair. Now, I could have put a flat iron to it, but I still needed my hair to have at least a little bit of texture to it, you guys, because this is curly hair, and I didn't want my hair to be extremely straight. I needed to have texture to it. So I'm using this wand curler that's very, very, very tiny, and I'm just curling my hair where I feel like it needs to be curled, so that it can blend into the curly hair. I know that our hair does not blend into these curly textures, you guys, so you would have to like use like flexi rod sets or a wand curler like I use, but I never can really get my hair to, my hair texture is not this hair texture. I'm sorry, it's just not. But you are able to manipulate and things of that such when it comes to these styles. So all I want to do is style up my hair, you guys. I'm going to give myself some layers. I'm also going to spray it as well to give myself a little bit more volume. And before I go, I do want to talk to you guys about the quality of the hair. I absolutely love the packaging. It's not like the traditional packaging. It's actually very well thought out. Everything is pink, and they give you pretty much everything you need for your hair. Now, I do think that I could have used a 4th bundle. Again, this is only 3. I do love volume at the top, but I was able to basically manipulate that using some textured hairspray. So that's about it. Also, I want to tell you guys that this hair does not have a smell, and it's also soft as well, you guys. Now, you would have to manipulate your hair depending on your hair texture, but again, I did use some textured hairspray and a little bit of water so that I can, like, you know, activate the curls a little bit more and get it all to pretty much blend in with my natural hair. But this is pretty much the final look, you guys. It just takes a little bit of playing in your hair. So that's about it. I don't have anything else for you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching my hair video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the description box or in the comment section, sorry. And I'll see you guys in my next video.